So you might be in a weird situation where only one AirPod is connecting. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, maybe you're putting both AirPods inside of your ear, but only one AirPod is actually playing music or it's even being discovered, while the other one is not showing up at all, or maybe it's not playing any music. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The very first thing you want to make sure, though, is that your AirPods are fully charged up and both are exactly the same charge. So, personally, for me, this happens all of the time. So, if I put my AirPods close, you can see these are not my AirPods. I'm going to go and sync them up. Essentially, what ends up happening is, for the most part, a lot of people will end up using one AirPod more so than the other one. So in this case, what that looks like is they'll go ahead and just use one AirPod when they're running or working out or whatever the case is, and that is typically okay. That's totally okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But what ends up happening even more so on top of that is that people will go ahead and use one AirPod. So if they use this AirPod, right, you can see that immediately my AirPod battery life thing shows up. You want to make sure this AirPod that is actually, not playing any music isn't actually dead. If you go ahead and basically show up your AirPods like this, but you can see that this one is not showing up or maybe it's dead, if it's not showing up, that's a problem. But if it is showing up and it's just dead, you're just going to have to let it sit there and charge for a little bit. Now, if they've been sitting there at the same time and they've been charging, you also just want to make sure that there's nothing stuck at the bottom of that case. Sometimes I've seen a lot of people they just like have like a bunch of dust and stuff stuck in there. Also, at the bottom of your AirPods, you want to make sure it's cleaned out pretty well. And that will probably end up fixing the problem for the most part. Now, let's say you do that and that's still not working, that's still not fixing the problem. Well, the other thing you may just want to do is make sure that your specific, AirPod case isn't actually faulty. So how you can do this is basically go through and, maybe play a song or two. You can also try seeing if your case is accepting a charge. But sometimes if you randomly drop your AirPod case, if you have issues like that, that can also kind of be an issue. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you can try doing is trying to go through and update your iPhone. If you have an Android phone, you can try the same exact thing. So just make your way over to your settings panel, find the update panel of your specific device. So in this case on iPhone, it's general, software update right here. And all you want to do here is go ahead and update your phone if there's an update available. If there is an update available, update your device, and that will probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people too. So in terms of that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.